Attention parents, we've got 4 workshops this fall you may be interested in. The first on September 25th is called Discipline with Love and Logic. You discipline, right? But then you second guess, were you too harsh, too soft? Wouldn't it be nice to know how to discipline effectively and feel like you showed love? Learn 5 tricks you can start using now. The next weekend, October 2nd, we're going to talk about harnessing technology in your home. We've all done it. You're feeling frazzled, so you plop your kids in front of the TV or tablet and let peace reign for a while, until you wonder if your kids are too obsessed with tech and what about all the nasty stuff and people online? How can we place sensible limits around the technology in our home without going overboard? Join us October 2nd for practical ideas for keeping tech in check and how to keep your kids safe online. Okay, our third workshop is October 9th and entitled Building a Spirit-Filled Home. We get it, parents are busy. Some days it feels overwhelming doing all we can to just keep them fed, clothed, and clean. This workshop will look at God's direction for how to make His Word part of the structure of your home, as well as come up with a simple daily pattern for family devotional life. Lastly, on October 16th, a talk geared for adoptive or foster parents or those whose child has gone through a traumatic event. This workshop will dig into specific ways trauma affects children and one approach that has been shown to bring hope and peace into your home. Each workshop is a 2-hour session. Free childcare is available. See you this fall.